Today we are going to see how to create a portfolio album with the Saal Digital software. First you need to go over to Photo Book and then choose the portfolio album option. Here you will find different sizes and formats, just choose the one that best fits your needs. The portfolio album is very versatile and you can modify it whenever you want. Here you will find all accessories you need. You can order them at any time. Add new pages, covers, boxes, or replacing screws a long time after your first portfolio album was ordered. Let's go back and select a portfolio album to design. On this occasion, we are going to design this one. This is a configuration panel where you can choose the cover surface, the interior surface, and whether you want a gift box for it. All of these options can change over time as we are continually renewing and improving our products. Once you are ready, click on Design. There are 3 ways to create a portfolio album. In this example, we are going to choose the empty template, as we want to have full manual control over all of the elements. Then select the estimated number of pages, which you can change at any time. Here is our portfolio album ready to be designed. This first page works as a cover. In this example, the cover is black leather as we chose in the configuration panel. On this cover, we can add clip arts and text. To find clip arts, go to the right menu and drag and drop to the one you like the most. Take into account that you have a good contrast on your cover surface. In this case, we are going to increase the brightness. To add text, we need to click on the text box button. The text box will appear where we need to write our text. We have 2 ways to modify the text in style. One is clicking on the text editor button, and the other one is using the tools that appear when the text is selected on the top menu. To center them, you can use the alignment tools that appear on the top menu. Let's go for the inner pages. To add photos, you just need to drag photos over the page. You can modify its size freely. As well as mirror them, zoom, and reframe them. You can also add photos as a background, dragging the photo on the page when it turns blue. Another good option to design your portfolio album is using templates. First, you need to choose a design line. On this occasion, we are going to select Simple. Multiple layout options will appear. You can choose by the number of photos you want. In this page, we are going to choose 2. Now we select the layout we want and drag our photos over them. If you want to take advantage of the automatic design mode that the program offers, you can activate it by clicking over the Auto Layout button at any time. In the portfolio album, each page in the end is an independent picture, since you can take them out at any moment, and for example turn them into decoration, replace them, exchange them, and modify the order at any time. Take advantage of our best print surfaces and have a very flexible album on your hands. Now it's your turn.